man. Oh, gosh. Oh, my nose. Oh my gosh. I'm in the car. I had to pull over. I'm not sure how many times I sneezed before I stopped, but a few. Oh gosh. It's still... The tickle's still there in my nose. I'm not sure if it's done. Oh my god. I haven't sneezed in ages, probably. Oh, they feel good. Oh. I haven't really posted many videos in ages because I just haven't had the time. But I don't know what's up with me. Oh. Oh. My nose has gotten really snotty now as well, which is gross, I know. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh. They're really strong. Like, my nose feels my nose was really fuzzy. It doesn't feel tickly, it's fuzzy. Like, right in the tip of my nostrils. Like, right at the tip of my nose. My eyes are watering. Oh. I think. Oh, gosh. Might be done. No. That might have done it. Oh. Oh. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Nope. Yeah, that's it.